To create your first sketch in FreeCAD, switch to the Part Design workbench using the workbench selector. Then click Create New Body. And now click Create New Sketch. Select the XY plane, and the sketch editor opens automatically. Now let's create a simple sketch. Go to the toolbar, select the rectangle tool. Click once with the left mouse button to place the first corner. Move the cursor and click again to place the opposite corner. Your first sketch is complete. If you are looking for precise dimensions, click again with the mouse to place the first corner. In the tooltip, enter the first dimension. Then press Tab key on your keyboard. Enter the second dimension and press Enter. As the final step, right-click with your mouse to exit the rectangle tool. Now let's add the circle. Go to the toolbar and select the circle tool. Now click with the left mouse button to place the center. Move your cursor or use the tooltip to set the radius. Then press Enter. You can continue adding more geometry to the same sketch. To exit the current tool, just press Escape or right-click with the mouse. To select an element, simply click on it. Press Delete to remove the selected geometry. When you are done, click the Close button in the Tasks panel to exit the editor. Your sketch is now saved inside the body. You can edit it again anytime by double-clicking it in the model tree. Next, we'll learn how to create a sketch on a face.